You'll want to get organic firm tofu and start by slicing open the package so that you can release the water at least as much as possible. Shake it, drain it out. I usually like to work with 2 or 3 tofus and then put it on its side, and you want to cut it 3 times so that you get about a 1/2 inch or so thickness, and then start by laying it on the cutting board. And then we will press out the water. Now you can use a tofu press. I do when I have time, or sometimes I just throw some books on top of it with a clean dish towel. I like to use a dish towel because it's a little bit more eco-friendly, but if you want to use just some regular paper towels, that's fine as well. Then next I like to cut it into 4 even squares so that they cook a little more evenly when you place them on a pan. Now grease a pan so that the tofu does not stick to it, and you'll begin adding your seasoning like salt and pepper. I like to use a little cumin and a little bit of Cajun or chili spice. Depending on how much time I have, I might flip them over and season the other side, or sometimes I just season one side, then pop it into the oven at 420 for about 20 minutes, take it out, flip them around, and then you will cook them for about another 10 minutes or so. Then for the final touches and to get it just a little extra crispy, I like to throw it in the broiler for about 5 to 10 minutes. Just keep checking it to your desired firmness. Then look at that perfectly made tofu and enjoy!